For me, I guess, coming from last year, na nanalo yung Team Stelpa.
Talagang lagi binabanggit yun. no?
Kailangan kasi talagang banggitin yun eh.
Stel is confident to win it again, consecutively twice. Oh.
Nakalimutan na namin, pinaalala mo.
Pass is pass.
Oh, alam ko naman past is past. Pero kasi, yung past kasi,
It's the present.
minsan, yun yung dahilan bakit
Yeah, Stel looks quite confident, and he's a confident person, so
natin
yeah.
ginagalingan sa present. At naniniwala ako na yun yung driving goal namin. Driving goal? Tama.
Pwede.
Yun yung
Pwede na.
driving force.
Nanalo ko naman last year eh. Kaya kahit anong sabihin mo, pasok pa rin.
Hindi.
Everyone wants to win, but if you're confident, then there's like moral boost up.
Basta, para sa Team Stelbound, hindi namin gusto pressurein yung sarili namin para sa trophy na yun. Basta ang gusto lang namin, mapakita namin yung essence ng The Voice Kids.
Tama, tama.
I don't know why, but I think Stel gonna win it again. I don't know why, but yeah.
Sobra naman sa sagot
Essence.
naman yun,
Yeah.
Stel, no?
Spell essence.
Oo, thank
Pwede
you.
bang ano na?
Oo, go. Yes?
Essence.
Essence, alright. Thank you so much, Coach.